Have you ever tried to remove the background from a photo, only to struggle with complicated software or messy selections? Well, the good news is, you don't need Photoshop, and you don't need editing skills. Today, I'll show you 3 amazing websites that can remove the background from any image instantly, with just one click. Let's start with the first one, Remove.bg. This is one of the most popular background remover tools online. Simply upload your photo, and within seconds, the background disappears automatically. It works incredibly well with people, products, animals, and even complex edges like hair. You can download the result in high quality and use it for thumbnails, product listings, or social media posts. The second website is Adobe Express Background Remover. This tool is free, fast, and backed by Adobe's powerful AI. What makes it great is the ability to refine the cutout using simple brushes. So if the AI misses a few spots, you can touch them up easily. It's perfect for more detailed or tricky photos that need extra precision. And the third website is Pixlr Remove.bg. Pixlr is known for its lightweight online editor, and their background tool is no different. Upload your image, and it instantly removes the background with clean, smooth edges. Plus, you can edit the image further, add shadows, change colors, or drop it into templates, all directly on the site. These 3 tools are completely online, super easy to use, and work on any device. No downloads, no apps, no design experience needed. So the next time you need a clean, transparent background for your photos, remember these websites. They'll save you time, effort, and a lot of frustration. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.